नाउ विल कम टू आमाजीर्ण. आमाजीर्ण इज बिकॉज ऑफ कफ. लाइक मैंने वहां आपको तीन चीज बोल दिया, यहाँ तीन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है: एनोरेक्सिया, हेवीनेस, कोटेन टंग, एंड यू द नाड़ी. इफ यू सी इट इज मंद नाड़ी. Anorexia patient is going to come, heaviness, and here Amagirna, I'll tell you one thing. There the patient will have fullness. There the patient will have bloating just after the food. Here before food. Sir, जेवायला बसलो ना की पोट डोंब भरतो. As and when your acid is secreted, the time it is secreted, they will have fullness. It is because of Amagirna. You know who this type of people are? This type of the people are who had their lunch around 1 o'clock, and then again 1:30 if they get to see a samosa, they'll eat that samosa also. Vishamasham, right? This type of a person usually they are kapha-shrin prakriti. They can eat anything. Important symptom is anorexia, heaviness, coated tongue, mandanadi. Here again I told you anshansha kalpana. Like there I told the vata is vitiated by which two particular gunas. That was ruksha, that was sheet. But here if you see that kapha is vitiated with snigdha guna and shita guna, then you will have amajirna. And you know who this type of people are? No, people are always a lazy people. They don't like anything. They don't have any कशामध्ये काय रस नाही. आरामचे खातात, बसतात, झोपतात, 10 वाजता उठतात, सकाळी रात्री 2 वाजता झोपतात, सकाळी 4 वाजता उठतात. असं जाड दमाड असं ओबेस पेशंट. One need to select the drug which has opposite guna. I'm sorry. One need to
Hello.
हाँ सर,
Kindly mute your mic. Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, just let me know how much time do I have so that I need to conclude it, right?
Sir, you can continue.
Yeah. Sir, one
Sir,
need
you
to
can.
right, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. One need to select the drug which has a opposite guna. Like there I told it is ruksha. There I told it is shita. So you have to have something which is ushna and snigdha. But here, see, मैं वापस क्यों रिपीट कर रहा हूँ? बिकॉज आई मीन हैमरिंग, बिकॉज घर वापसी करना है बॉस. घर वापसी के साथ पांडे सर हैं, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर, मंगेश सर हैं, वी आर ऑलवेज देयर विथ यू. बट वेन एवर यू हैव एनी डाउट एंड यू इफ यू फील लाइक अंशंश कल्पना, you cannot understand, you are free to call us. And this e-Ayurshala platform is always there to help my people around. Management is like there it was Sheet and Ruksh, now here it is Ushna and Ruksh. So when you have to counter this, the medicine which can be given is Chitrakadi, Shadharangulika, Shankhavati, Lasunadivati. Please see to it, Lasunadivati is the most important drug, very important drug. And usually Lasunadivati can be given before and or it can be given after. Usually मैंने अपने प्रैक्टिस में ना एक सिस्टम बना रखा. They talk to me about Vistabda Jirna. The very first thing that drug that comes to my mind is Shankhavati. But when it comes to Amajirna, Shankhavati and Lasunadivati, I don't know why it comes to my mind, because it might be a usual practice because my guide and my teachers, my people who have been using it. But when today I come to know Lasunadivati, usme Tikshan nature and which is going to counter the kapha, because vitiated kapha, and Amajirna is because of this. Pachan is a very important factor which is there, because here also Erantalum can be used, because Erantalum is the one which is Pachan in nature, and Amajirna is usually because of Am. Right? Kumari Asav can be given to the patient. Patol Buladi Kashayam can be given to the patient. Now we'll come to Vidagdha Jirna. Like there we had 3 symptoms. Like we are going to revise it once again. There we had 3 symptoms. Right? The first symptoms was what? The patient will have bloating. मेरा सर डॉक्टर साहब मेरा पेट ना बहुत फुगा फुगा लगता है खाने के बाद, खाने के पहले नहीं, खाने के बाद. डॉक्टर साहेब मेरे को ना ऐसा ना ढेकार बहुत आती हो, खूप ढेकार येतो डॉक्टर साहेब मला, आणि ते असं आंबट पाणी येते का, ते आंबट कडवट पाणी काय नाही डॉक्टर साहेब. एंड यू सी दिस आर द मोस्ट मिजरेबल पेशेंट, सबसे दुखियारी पेशेंट होते हैं ये दुनिया के. डॉक्टर साहब ऐसा बहुत बर्पिंग होता, हात लावतात आपल्यावरच बर्पिंग करतात 4दा, आणि दिस आर टाइप ऑफ अ पेशेंट वेयर यू फील यार इनको जल्दी से जल्दी कुछ दवाइयां देके इनको भगाना चाहिए. दैट्स अ पेशेंट. वहां तो ये था. Amajid में the patient used to say कि डॉक्टर साहब I have bloating, I have got heaviness, that is before food. That is very important. In Vidagdha Jirna, sore blenching म्हणजे what? Sore blenching means what? ते आंबट ब्लेंचिंग, आंबट असं कडवट पाणी येतं डॉक्टर साहेब. And these are the people all usually will come up. See why Sudhshekar has to be given Vidagda Jeerna. There's one more point. If the person comes to you with Vidagda Jeerna and says की ते आंबट पाणी वगैरे लागतं आणि ते आंबट पाणी गळ्यामध्ये उतरतो, and what actually happens is, it is not in a very initial slides I told you, it's not only pitta which is vitiated, it is also kapha and vata, because vata is going to take that pitta and regurgitate in the upper direction, and then it comes to your pharynx, and that is full of acid, and because of that acid this whole layer, your nasopharyngeal layer, all it becomes inflamed, and because of that the patient will have a recurrent coughing. So Sudhshekar is a drug of choice if the patient says that I have a dry cough along with sore blenching, आंबट पाणी येते, Sudhshekar is a drug of choice. Pain over epigastric region will be there. हे सगळं तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये नाही समजणार. You are not going to see in Amagid and all this type. The patient is going to say पेट फूकता है, दर्द नहीं होता, मेरा पेट फूकता है, बाद में विदग्धा जीर्ण वात की वजह से पहले फूक रहा है, खाने का मन नहीं करता डॉक्टर साहब. ये पेशेंट को खाने का मन नहीं करता है, वो पेशेंट को तो खाने का मन भी करता है विदग्धा जीर्ण, लेकिन इसमें खाने का मन नहीं. विदग्धा जीर्ण वाला पेशेंट ऐसा नहीं है. वेरी क्लासिकल पॉइंट व्हाट यू गेट टू सी इज so sir, if epigastric pain, burning sensation over the chest, very important point is headaches, insomnia and vertigo. ये सिम्टम्स देखिए, ये स्लाइड को ना आप कहीं भी रख लीजिए, और ना जब आप अपनी इनिशियल प्रैक्टिस घर वापसी कर रहे हैं ना, तो ये सब सिम्टम्स दिख रहे हैं क्या, वो देख लीजिए, क्योंकि देखिए सब अलग अलग है. वहां खाने के बाद, खाने के पहले, वहां भूख लगती है, यहाँ भूख लगती नहीं, यहाँ आपको हिंगवाष्टक देना है, यहाँ कहाँ, जैसे मैंने आपको सब समझाया. Now what is the management? Pitta dosha usually aggravates due to Ushna, Snigdha and Tikshna guna. So one needs to select drugs which are usually thick and ruksha in nature. देखिए अभी यहाँ this is Ushna, this is Snigdha and this is Tikshna guna. So what type of a drug we have to select? That is the drug which is thick and ruksha in nature. So what sort of a drug so we are going to have? Yes, now we have very good drugs here. Now we have Bhunimbadi Kada, very good drug, very good drug. Bhunimbadi Kada, I have a experience of the same. One evening I had a very bad acidity, and it happened to be like I didn't had anything. So somebody like I just went into my storeroom and just got Bhunimbadi Kada out of it, and just poured 4 TSP of it, and just and then it was a day I realized that I have been prescribing my patient Bhunimbadi since many days, but this fast effect, I'm telling you, and this is without doubt. It is not a high claim, tall claims what I am putting. Bhunimbadi will give you instant relief like Pandy. If you want to try, please try it. Half a glass of water, just pour 3-4 TSP of it. Just see to it, people they take it with the cap what you have on the bottle. Please don't do that. Ask your patient to take with 4 spoons. It gives you fantastic miracle results, sir. I'm telling you. Shankhavati can be given. Shankha Bhasma is the one which can. Shankhavati here cannot be given because Shankhavati has got all Ushna, Tikshna, Dravya. All Shars are present. So here, please note, it's not Shankhavati, it's Shankha Bhasma. Mukta Shukti can be given. Kandudavati, Lagu Sudhshekar Ras. Amla Pitta Mishran, in my clinical practice, I have found it works miracle. Guruchadi Kashayam, Mahatiktakam Kashayam, and Pravar Panchamrut. If you see all these drugs, you will come to know all these drugs are one, it is which decreases the Ushna Guna, Ushna Tikshna Guna of the Pitta, which has been aggravated in Vidagdha Jeerna, is going to come down. But yes, 1, 2, 3. If I have forgot to say, ki Erantalam can be used in all 3 places. All 3 places, Bhunimbadi, all 3 places in Vata Jeerna, Vistabdha Jeerna, Ama Jeerna, Vidagdha Jeerna, all 3 places. For virechan, mild virechan has to be given to the patient. Please note it. Even if the patient says कि मेरा पेट अच्छी तरह साफ होता है, but still some small amount of laxative has to be added, because nitya virechanam is the best thing to deal with your metabolic fire. If your metabolic fire has, like अगर आपका अजीर्ण है या अगर आपका पेट अच्छी तरह से या साफ नहीं हो रहा है, और there are some different problems what I have been mentioning. So Erantail is the best what can be given, or Gandharvastadi Tailam or Gandharvastadi Kashayam which can be given. This can be given freely in all these 3 types. Okay, now the most important is Vidagdha Jeerna. If the patient comes to you, takes all Pravar Panchamrut, Kamdudavati, Sudhshekar and all this type of rasas every day, and maybe like after 1 month, and then again Apatya started, again etiological factor Nidan is started. These are the patient who will get into acid peptic disease. I tell you that there was a big challenge to me. One of my students' mother, she got into acid peptic disease and she was being treated by a gastroenterologist. I'll tell you, this is a true story which I've been saying, and this is not very far. It is just 6 months back. He's a student of our own college, and he came up with the report saying that, sir, this is antral gastritis, and there are small ulcers which have just broken down, and my mother gets a black stool. It's only because of the blood what comes from the higher gastrointestinal tract, and because of that the stool becomes black in color. And this the sign and symptoms what she had. And then I asked, is it like you took treatment with the gastroenterologist for how many days? So he told, sir, I took it for 6 months, and again I repeated, the reports is one and the same. Then I asked whether your mother is it like, is she sure, is she serious about getting things treated? Yes, sir. So I tell you one thing. You accept the peptic ulcers as a challenge after my lecture, and I'll tell you, and if you get a results, please call me and tell me, yes, Dr. Pandey, I had results out of it. I'll tell you, I have stopped everything of that patient. First 7 days, aam pachan was, and then what happened? Then after I explained my patient one thing, like for example, समझो अगर आपके तुमच्या हातावर कुठे जखम झालं किंवा तुम्हाला मार लागली, तर पहिलेचे लोक काय करायचे हो? पहिलेचे लोक काय करायचे? ते बोले तूप लावायचे. ओके, तूप लावलं की भरून जातं का? हा, भरून जातं. We have a concept of giving rhythm internally, and that also medicated rhythm. So I tell you, I kept that patient on 1.5 months. Only the patient was on rice and milk along with khadi shakkar. The patient used to take it for the patient took it for 2 months, and in the morning time, in the night time, Shatavaradi Ghritam was given to that patient in the Shaman Matra, 1.5 teaspoon in the morning. And what you can do is you can make a fresh rice in the morning, put that Shatavaradi in it, and just take 2 gulp of it. And just, if you want, you can drink a lukewarm water thoda sa, and if you don't want, don't take it. But for 2 months, for 1.5 months, I believe, only and only Dugdha Bhat, that was the treatment, that was the only ahar which was given to the patient. And if the patient, this is only I gave Shatavaradi because the patient was not anemic. But at the same time, if the patient is anemic, you can do one thing, you can replace your Shatavaradi Ghritam with Dadimadi Ghritam. So your HB is also going to go high. And if the ulcers are very bad, I tell you, if it is not only antral gastritis, it's that they are very big wounds inside, there are very big pulses which has just broken out and there is heavy bleeding. I tell you, Mahatiktakam Ghritam can be given. And one more thing, with all this Ghritam, if Yashti Madhu is added, it is going to give you a good privilege. And I'll tell you, it's going to bring a good name to you. फक्त दूध भातावर आपला पेशंटला ठेवा 1.25 महिने आणि त्यांना सांगा तुम्हाला बरं व्हायचंय की ऑपरेशन करायचंय. तोंडामध्ये ते पाईप टाकतात, नंतर ते आतपर्यंत जातात, नंतर खूप उलट्या होतात, नंतर डोकं दुखतात, नंतर खूप वीकनेस येतं. And along with all these things, you have to fear your patients, because till and then you don't fear your patient, they are not going to take Dugdha Bhat for 1.5 months. And I'll tell you that reports are with me. Anybody, if you want, you can come and check out. There's no antral gastritis, there's no acid peptic, there's no ulcers, nothing. And that went off only because we have a great science, that is Ayurveda science, where Ghritam can be given internally, and that also medicated Ghritam can be given. Okay, so this is what I wanted to say. Ki yes, this is what you can do if a patient of Vidagdha Jeena, and usually you will find a history. दारू पितात, हो डॉक्टर साहेब थोडा पितो. थोडा म्हणजे काय, केव्हा सोडलं? 7 दिवस. Like they have left only because they had ulcers, they had an hematemesis, and then only they are going to leave it. But yes, if you get to see this type of a patient and you have to take it as a challenge where it has been said this is not going to be rectified, is not going to be treated, you can directly take it. Dr. Amit, hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the slides are more like 20 slides are there. Just let me know for how much minute I want to speak, or I have to conclude the lecture.
Yes, sir. You can continue for next 10-15 minutes.
Okay. Sir, I'm going to concise these things. See, I've got a very beautiful slides for Google and everything, but unfortunately that slides are like I have missed it somewhere. But next time in this platform, if I get an opportunity, I'll definitely talk. The people who are going to again come back to Ayurveda Shastra and going to practice, arthritis is a bread and butter for the same. So usually मैं बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से बहुत ही छोटे मतलब बहुत ही इन अ वेरी आई एम सॉरी in a very simple way I'm going to explain you ki what type of a google should be used in arthritis. Like basically you have got two type of arthritis only. One is upastambhit arthritis and second is nirupastambhit. Upastambhit and nirupastambhit what means what? The nirupastambhit vad, when you say, it is the vad which is old aged vad. Maybe like after the patient will come to you after 50-55 years, he'll come to you. Nirupastambhit means what? It is dhatu shaijanya. It is because of dhatu shay. It is because of degenerative changes. Please note it if you cannot collect the terms. Nirupastambhit vat is only because the people of Nirupastambhit vat or Nirupastambhit joint pain, janu sandhi shul he te जेवढं शूल असतात बॉडीमध्ये, they are the patient are going to come after age of 50 because usually it is a degenerative changes and usually it is after age of 50. Upastambhit vat is acute in nature, which is with the patient is going to come to you. And usually it is in the young age what the patient come to know. It is not degenerative changes. Usually here the left side of the screen, if you see, that is all related to autoimmune disorders what you have, like rheumatoid arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, all this type of talk arthritis what you have all. And here what arthritis what you have, it is only osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis, and then why 4 types of googles are being given, sir, when if it is only osteoarthritis? Yes, we do have a reason for the same. Upastambhit vat, please remember, for Upastambhit vat, Kaishor Google, Yogaraj Google, Sinhnath, Panchamrit Google, Trifla Google and Purnavadi Google. All this type of a Google can be given to the patient when they come to you in a very early age. They come to you with all type of inflammation. They come to you with all autoimmune disorders. When I say autoimmune disorder, I mean to say SLE, I do mean to say Sjogren's syndrome, I do mean to say rheumatoid arthritis, rheumatic arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, all these different type of arthritis which usually patient they come to you. And Nirupastambhit it is very easy. 50 साल के बाद का ही आदमी आएगा भाई अपने पास, काम खत्म. And this is the Google which you have to begin. But in what sense, in what manner, and along with which Anupan has to be given, this is very important. So if you can catch this slide, right? Yogaraj Google, when it comes to you, indicated in Amvat and Adhevat. See, फलश्रुती दिलेलं असतं. प्रत्येक याचं ना फलश्रुती दिलेलं असते आपल्याला. तर त्याच्यामध्ये जे फलश्रुती दिली आहे त्याच्यामध्ये फलश्रुतीमध्ये एकदम स्पेसिफिक इट इज बीन एकदम प्रॉपरली इंडिकेटेड दॅट योगराज गुगुल हॅज टू बी गिवन इन आमवात अँड आंडेवात. कफ वातहर इन नेचर. Yogaraj Google is, please note, it is kapha vathar nature, usually ushna tikshan rukshin nature. Before treating any disease, nidan is very important. So when a patient comes to you and you feel like Yogaraj Google has to be given, so two things you have to important. यार ये तो कफ वातहर है, okay. It is ushna and tikshna, okay. So it cannot be given to a patient who is osteoarthritic. Yes. It cannot be given to a patient who has got degenerative changes. Okay. It cannot be given to a patient who has got apatarpanjanya vyadhi. Okay. These three things is in the mind. Very important thing is that you should know the nidan of the patient. You know what side of a patient these people are. Usually patient has a kapha nidan. Sedentary lifestyle. बस सवेरे रात को 10 बजे 9-11 बजे 2 बजे सोएंगे, सुबह 4-8-9 बजे उठेंगे आराम से. कंज्यूम क्या करेंगे? मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट लाओ, सैंडविच लाओ, क्या स्मूदीज लाओ, ये लाओ, वो लाओ, जो भी मिल रहा है खाए जा रहे हैं. यूजुअली मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स, दिस पीपल आर थोड़ा सा they are for milk and milk products. Usually patient is stool. Yogaraj Google, when you are giving to your patient 10 number of times, you should feel. If it is a lean patient, try to give Yogaraj Google. See that second day the patient is going to come crying to you. So never try. So it is Santarpana Janyavadi means Santarpana Janyavadi you have to give. If the patient is stool, if he the sedentary lifestyle, you have to inquire, you have to dig your patient, you have to get inside the patient's life, and then you will come to know all these things. Sedentary lifestyle, whether he is still consuming. हाँ डॉक्टर साहब थे ना मेरे को बर्फी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, गुलाब जामुन वगैरह वगैरह. And usually patient is told no exercise, no space for exercise in the world, no exercise in his life, eats oily and oily products. And you know what symptoms do they have? Are you getting it? Kapha vathar, it is ushna and tikshna. Please don't ever try to give it to your any patient who has got degenerative disorders or come to old age or has got apatarpanjanya vyadhi. Please don't give. Symptoms: morning stiffness and ushna thereby will give relief. योगराज गुगल गरम लावलं ना डॉक्टर साहेब, असं काही असं थोडंसं शेक घेतलं चांगलं वाटतं. योगराज प्लीज. मॉर्निंग स्टिफनेस, योगराज. ॲग्रिवेट्स इन द कोल्ड क्लायमेट. सो डॉक्टर साहेब ते ना एकदम बरोबर होतं, मी ते काश्मीरला गेलो ना नंतरच दुखायला लागलो. बर्फ होती का तिकडे? हो. पाऊस पडला का खूप? हो डॉक्टर साहेब. योगराज. डोंट थिंक. योगराज. स्टिफनेस ऑफ जॉइंट यूजुअली एग्रीवेट्स इन विंटर एंड रेनी सीजन. ये देखो, ये रेनी सीजन में आने वाले जितने भी लोग हैं ना, आप पहले उनको देखो, बुढ़ा तो नहीं है. ओके, बुढ़ा मतलब बुढ़ी भी हो सकती, बुड्ढा तो नहीं है, ओके, डिजेनरेटिव चेंजेस तो नहीं है, ओके, यू रूल्ड आउट एवरीथिंग, कुछ नहीं समझाना बस, गिव योगराज गुगुल. Which specific sthana of action does it works? Many kalpanas has, see, many drugs are there in the market. There are many other type of go. They all have Ushnavirya, but they will have a specific sthan. Like there are certain Ushnavirya dravyas which are going to work on your gastrointestinal system. There are certain Ushnavirya which are going to work on your Urdhva Chatrugat Vahat. There are certain Ushnavirya which are going to work on your knees or on your joints. सो स्पेसिफिकली इफ यू सी, आज जाके ना योगराज गूगल खोलिए, अगर आपको ना बहुत अच्छी तरह प्रैक्टिस करना है ना, फलश्रुति पढ़ना सीखिए. उसके अंदर स्पेसिफिक लिखा है संधि मज्जा गतानपि. इफ इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम संधि एंड मज्जा, यू कैन गिव इट विथ मॉल मज्जा. आपको भी मज्जा है, उसको भी मज्जा आएगा. इतना याद रखिए, संधि मज्जा गता अपि, ये वर्ड अगर आपको रहेगा याद तो आपको ध्यान में रहेगा. आम वाता एंड यूजुअली रूमेटॉइड, जो भी मैंने आपको अभी थोड़ी देर पहले रूमेटॉइड, सी दिस इज अ टॉपिक व्हिच if I'm being given 10 hours, I'll be able to speak on Yogaraj Google for the same. See, Anupan, which is very important, show for Pradhan Vyadhi. If the patient comes to you and the patient has got severe pain, severe joint pain, any type of pain, any type of joint pain, I'm not specific with any joint pain in the body, but along with it, the patient has shove, the patient has swelling of the body. Dashmul Haritaki along with Yogaraj Google can be given. If it is Amavata, please, Rasna Erandadi Kashayam is the drug of choice. And please keep it in your mind. The things can change. Dashmul Haritaki, in place of Dashmul Haritaki, Punarnavadi can come. In place of Dashmul, Patya Punarnavadi Kashayam can come. But as of my practice, I'm using Dashmul. You can use anything which is show for her also. When it is Amvata, Rasna Erandadi Kashayam has to come. Because when it is Amvata, Eranda has to be there. So see how beautifully the drug has been. For pain, you have Rasna. And for Amvat, you have Erand, right? When it is avabahuk, it is a very frequent problem. It is a very usual problem. आजकल बहुत सारे लोग आते हैं. Usually, you know who are the patient of avabahuk? 99.9% of the patient who have got diabetes will have avabahuk. Note it. They will have avabahuk. And you know how? If it is Shofa Pradhan Vyadhi, give with Dashmul. Very simple. If they have Amvat, how to diagnose Amvat is not a topic today, maybe like in some other lectures. Apabahuk means what? The patient comes to you, doctor साहेब फक्त एवढंच हात वरती जातो, याचा वरती हात जातच नाही, थोडासा अजून डॉक्टर साहेब, ठीक है, अपबाहु, राइट? अष्टवर्ग कषायम और प्रसारणादि कषायम along with Yogaraj Google. Please keep it in mind. So for Pradhanadi, Dashmul Haritaki, Amvat, Rasna Erandadi kashayam, Apabahuk, Ashtavarga kashayam can be given. And please note it, like I told you for Shankvati, I told you for Mahavat Vidwans, the way I told you for Vatsanam, here also you have to keep in mind that avoid any type of Google to be given in Pitta Prakriti patient, because if you try to give it in Pitta Prakriti patient, usually the people have some of the other type of gastrointestinal disturbance, gastritis, gastroenteritis, then the patient might have UTI. But still, if you feel that Goshur has to be given, the Google has to be given, and the patient has got UTI, Goshur, Punarnavadi and Chandraprabhati has to be accompanied, and then you can give.